In my Outlook Hotmail account, I usually get emails from Microsoft Store. I think it was when I was doing the old Bing It Up challenge, signed up my email. And so the strange thing is, you can't go to Microsoft Store to buy anything anymore. I think. I actually tried doing like a online retail stores search for Microsoft retail micro store, and you try to find one and they don't even say like, well, finally I see it in small print. All Microsoft Store locations are currently closed, and it doesn't say that it's permanent closed. So I went to the CNBC article over here. You see the URL over here. I'll bring it down. It says all of their retail locations have been closed, where they'll be concentrating just mostly on their online presence. So that's just what I wanted to talk about. Just a short video about saying there's no more Microsoft stores. I'm not sure if it was caused by the this year's COVID, but it's hard to say. So now I can't go to any of these stores. They've been closed completely. Did you know that? I wasn't sure, so this morning I checked again. Looks like it's been official for a while, since June. So no more Microsoft retail stores. Microsoft stores are kind of expensive anyway, so you could probably find better deals at even Best Buy. Best Buy. Good luck.